Coach Greg here with Svelte Training, and today I have a great workout for you. We're gonna torch our lower bellies with these next few exercises. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be fast, it's gonna be furious, we're gonna get all sweaty, it's gonna be glorious. So let's get started. Alrighty, so jumping right into it, this is a core workout. We'll be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these exercises, and then the next 2 will be more of a complete run through. It's gonna be amazing time, so just find yourself a flat surface. There'll be no going to the ground. Maybe have some water ready just in case, and you and I are gonna have some fun. Right off the bat, we're gonna do some standing leg lifts, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Just practice or focus on raising one leg up at a time. Now you can try to touch as well, whatever you prefer. The goal is keep that leg as straight as you can because we're really trying to focus on this lower part of our abdomen right here. So don't worry about like trying to crunch over, just really focus on lifting from your hips and think about lifting from your lower belly. So right here. Now if you can't go as high, even something right here works, no problem. Try to stand up tall, there it is, couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, moving right along. We have some step jacks. Get yourself in position, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we're just gonna alternate between kicking one leg up, hands to your side, hands overhead. Now if you want, you can just do a normal jumping jack, right? Whatever you feel comfortable with. Step jacks are just a great variation, and it really helps work out your core. So make sure your core is tight. And even just the act of lifting up your arms like this, you're working out your obliques all the way down here. Everyone's benefiting. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job, moving right along. Exercise number 3, we have high knees. So now kind of like what we did with the leg lifts, but now we're just focusing on bringing that knee on high. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Let's drive that knee up, just like that. If you want your hands as a guide, feel free, I always do. Really focus on just driving that knee up, again, pulling from that lower belly, just like that. Have a strong, stable base. If you feel like you're off balance, collect yourself. You can even hold on to something if you prefer. You can even do this seated. Couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, we have some wood choppers. I like to have my feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. We're just gonna alternate, we'll do 15 seconds one side. Just have your hands as if you're holding an axe, chopping wood. And we're just gonna go all the way up, turn that opposite foot, and bring it down as if we're chopping. This torquing motion, it's twisting, it's like gonna activate all up in here. So 30 seconds in 3, 2, let's go. So here we go, tall, bam, bring it down, just like that. If you need more of a wider base, feel free. Really just bring it down. Do one more this side and let's switch. Here we go, center yourself, and let's go. Bring it down, twist to that side, and bring it down. Just like that. You don't have to be like fast, just very intentional with your movements. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Flail them out. Get some water. We got 2 more sets to go. Alrighty, here we go. You know what you're doing now. Let's have some fun. Let's torch this lower belly. Standing leg lifts, 3, 2, let's go. Step jacks in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
High knees in 3, 2, and 1. Wood choppers in 3, 2, 1. Switch in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Great job. Set number 2 done. Grab some water. We're going to finish strong with set number 3. Set number 3 starts now. Standing leg lifts. 3, 2, let's go. Step jacks in 3, 2, 1. High knees in 3, 2, and 1. Wood choppers in 3, 2, 1. Switch in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. There you go. Give yourself a round of applause and a pat on the back. You earned it. That is how you torch your belly. Hope you enjoyed this workout as much as I did. Feel free to go back to a couple more sets if you so choose. I know my core is on fire, so I will refrain. But I know you are a champion and you're going to go and crush your day. So have an amazing one. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video, my friend. Stay strong. Peace.